Okay, thank you for you to join in another episode. This time I'm gonna show you how you can resolve this curso de preparación para TOEFL, and this course is advanced. And okay, let's go. Okay, a closing statement should um, add an extra final reason to your argument, portray that your author are personal, reinforce your main idea opinion. You are very knowledge about the subject. Okay, I don't remember nothing about this. And for the reason, let me show. Let me watch this. A, a closing statement should. Okay, I don't. I don't have idea. I don't know if I took the same exam. Okay, closing statement should, let me see, portray that you, the author, are a good person, reinforce your main idea opinion, show that you are uh, very knowledge about the subject, to your argument, that you, the author, are a good person. I think is option C, but okay, I don't have this. And okay, let me looking for here. Okay, I have some notes here, and just let me. Okay, reinforce your mind, idea, and opinion. Yeah, this is the right answer. Which of the following is not a possible step of the integrate task? Okay, remember integrate task is. Remember is okay. You listen. There. Yeah, is a task that you need to use three or two activities. You're listening to a conversation or lecture. You are giving a prompt and time to answer. You see an article or announcement. You read an essay. The, remember, you need to do something in together with other activity, with other task. Which of the following is not a recommended note to take? Okay, remember, main idea and detail is and foremost, and for vocabulary used. Yeah, this cannot be. Which of the following is not recommended to write in the integrate writing task? Summarize ideas from the passage, your personal opinion on the topic, summarize idea from the lecture, opening and closing statement, integrate writing task. Okay, integrate your personal opinion on the topic, summarize ideas from the lecture, opening and closing statement. Yeah, you cannot. I remember something like you cannot do your opinion. And sorry for the background. This is difficult to me to try to record without noise because in my house, and also in my uh, neighbor, is very neighborhood is very noisy. And what's the something you should not do during the reading section? Okay, you can skim, Summarize, translate. You know, you cannot translate. Also, scan. Identify the following reading question type. Which of the following is true? Factual. Identify the following reading question type. Which of the following is true? Vocabulary question and negative factual question. Oh, you need to identify just one is true. And in inference question, negative factual question, vocabulary question. Oh yeah, it's factual question. Remember that. Your tone in the speaking section should be quiet and modest, strong and loud. Your natural tone. Yeah, this is the right one. What is scoring? What is the scoring range of the TOEFL? Okay, IELTS. IELTS is from 0 to 9, and this case is TOEFL is 0 to 120. Is the following a factual in inference or main idea question? What may happen after X? Okay, and what may happen after X? I think it could be my main idea question. Let me see. I think it's inference question, but it is. But let me see my notes. Okay, because I'm not very sure. Okay, I'm looking for, and let me give me give me some minutes, and I almost got it. Okay, it's in a factual inference question. Yeah, because remember, inference is something that you can perceive that will happen, and because we have the verb happen, can be inference question. What is an example of a main idea question according to the professor? When does X say Y? How does the professor explain? Why does the student mention? Uh, what is the conversation about? Okay, I think is I don't know sure it is the what's the conversation about or what does the student mention. But okay, okay, what's the something? Okay, let me. What's it? Is an example? Just let me looking for in my notes. Okay, I think is what's the conversation about because okay, what does the student mention is very punctual and X conversation about is it's like an idea. Okay, what is something you should do during the listening section? Try to understand every word, translate, transcribe what you hear, pay attention to intonation. You should do during the listening section. Try to understand every word, translate what you hear, pay attention to intonation. Yeah, this is a good one. What will not be evaluated in the speaking section? Intonation, pronunciation, accent. Yeah, your accent cannot be the best. Your accent can be like uh, a Latin American or I don't know, like Greek people. I don't know. What is an example of a purpose, method, attitude question? Okay, I remember why method. Okay, you are talking about purpose or method or attitude. It is necessary that have why the that the question begin with why, because this is the purpose. Why? Because that, and that's all. How many core skills, reading, listening, writing, speaking, does the TOEFL evaluate? Remember, it's always four, like the Ielts. Uh, yes, this is the those are the four skills that require English always. Which of the following is an example of the rhetorical purpose question? Uh, which of the following statement is not true? Okay, to be honest, I don't remember nothing about, or a little bit about rhetorical purpose question, because I think it's something that you imagine or something like that. But which of the following statement is not true? What can be implied by the author used the string in paragraph paragraph 2? Add this sentence to the correct place in the paragraph. Okay. Why does the author mention the survival snake, lizards, turtles, and coral in the paragraph 3? Mention. Okay, I think that I need to revise my notes. Okay, why does the lizard, turtles, and snake? I think is in this case is like a comparative or something like, uh, try to find an answer, or I'm not sure, but okay, I will put bad because I know that this this is the good one, but intentionally I will put like this because I really need to know the really answer. Identify the following reading question type. Paragraph 3 is planned that here in the boundary clay is needed because rhetorical purpose question, vocabulary question, negative factual question, inference questions. Okay, I think is identify the full question. Paragraph 3 implies, oh, yeah, this is a Nikayon inference question because you are implying, and let me, implies that boundary clay is needed because, yeah, this kind of keywords can help you to know what exactly the sentence is about. For example, it is a rhetorical sentence, or even it is any kind of inference question, something like that. The professor explains that element for a well-made play. Put them in the correct order. Is an example of what question type for a well-made play. Okay, I don't know what is the a well play may, but okay.
A well-made play.
Put them in the correct order. An example of what question explain the element for a well-made play is an example. Put them in correct order. Replay question, match and order question. Okay, I remember. Probably is about match and order question because you need to put in order, and yeah, you need to put in order in order to in order to know what is the meaning of all the paragraph. How many integrate speaking tasks will you have? Okay, remember in the speaking task you have integrate. Okay, you have one is just, and you have three. Okay, one is integrate, and sorry, three are integrate, and just only one is about other. But I don't get it. The answer is it's another topic that you need to do by yourself. How do you have to do in a sentence restatement question? Recognize and choose an accurate paraphrase or summary of the essential information. Organize the sentence in the correct order. Uh, Show that you understand that the vocabulary being used by the author in context. And D, choose the on choose the one single answer that is incorrect. Okay. Sentence re, rest, restatement. I remember something like summarize or something like that, but okay, this is the keyword. Recognize and choose an accurate para, uh, paraphrase. Paraphrase. I don't got it. This just let me hear in order to give you a good yeah, paraphrase. um, Accurate paraphrase or summary of the essential information, organize sentence in the correct order, and show that you understand the vocabulary being used by the author in context. Choose the one single answer that it is incorrect. Yeah, this is the right answer, but just let me watch what is the meaning in context and accurate because I don't got it. Reconocer, elegir una paráfrasis o resumen preciso. Okay, accurate is something like is uh, exactly or something like that. And just let me looking for a good synonym. Precise, exact. Yeah, this is the right one. Identify the following reading question type in paragraph paragraph 2. What does the author means mean by fluctuation? Okay, okay, this is I remember I don't know vocabulary question. Yeah, this is a vocabulary question. Cannot be organization question because cannot be rhetorical purpose question. Also, okay, I will explain because I also have time. Cannot be a organization question because you are not put in order in the paragraph. And rhetorical purpose question cannot be because I don't got it this good, but uh, it's more has more sense if you fit in vocabulary question because it's just a single word and you are talking about a synonym or what's by the mean or what's the mean or by fluctuation. And cannot be a factual question because factual question is more structured like a rhetorical purpose question is more structured. um, okay, factual question cannot be because the factual question is something like is because or something why it happened that the thing and uh, yada yada. Which of the following is a recommended thesis statement? This paper will focus on causes and effect in Latin America. Thesis statement. Okay. Capitalism has many causes and effects to consider in the geopolitical landscape of Latin America. Latin America has many causes and effects. Okay, this paper will focus on causes and effects in Latin America. Okay, this is more no no good nor okay. Paper capitalism has many causes and effects to consider in her political landscape of America. Me causes an effect. I think this because sounds more natural. Okay, what you have, what I okay, have you to do in the independent speaking task. Okay, no pay attention to the time you're speaking, draw on your own ideas and experience to answer. uh, Independent, oh yeah, this is the word that I was looking for previously, because independent and the another is dependent or something like integrate. Yeah, independent, sorry,
Independent.
independent. um Reading, listen to answer. Reading, listen to answer. Okay, yeah, you draw your own ideas, your own opinion. Which of the following is good advice for the speaking section? After you listen to something, summarize it. Imitate an accent. Take excessive notes while listening. Reading, writing. I so confused always in this word. Okay, I don't know, but I think it's reading. Yeah, reading. I don't know what. I confused. Okay, over explain your ideas. Okay, the most convenient one is this one. After you listen to something, summarize it. How many lectures will be in the listening section? Okay, I don't remember. I don't get it that one, but how many lectures will be in the listening section? I think there are three or four. Yeah, this is so many lecture. 3 to 4. Yeah, it's something like this. Because I remember this, but in this course we just saw like two lectures, and it's okay. I did my exam. Just too bad, just two wrong answers. And let me put my let me writing down my let me write down my I don't know how to say, my rate, and send. That's all. I hope you have enjoyed this video. See ya.